Question: when business rules run? Your answer should be: business rules run based on two sets of criteria: the time that the business rule is configured to run relative to a record being modified or accessed. The database operation that the system takes on the record. Question: what is display business rule? Your answer should be: display business rules. Display business rules are processed when a user requests a record form. The data is read from the database, display rules are executed, and the form is presented to the user. 1. The current object is available and represents the record retrieved from the database. 2. Any field changes are temporary since they are not yet submitted to the database. To the client. 3. The form values appear to be the values from the database. There is no indication that the values were modified from a display rule. This is a similar concept to calculated fields. 4. The primary objective of display rules is to use a shared scratchpad object, G_scratchpad, which is also sent to the client as part of the form. 5. This can be useful when you need to build client scripts that require server data that is not typically part of the record being displayed. Question: abort a database action in a before business rule? Your answer should be: in a before business rule script, you can cancel or abort the current database action. In a before business rule script, you can cancel or abort the current database action using the current.setAbortAction equals true method. For example, if the before business rule is executed during an insert action, and you have a condition in the script that calls current.setAbortAction true, the new record stored in current is not created in the database. Question: difference between business rule and script include? Your answer should be: a business rule is something you want to run when anything will happen before/after database update/insert for that record. Definitely there are other options as well, like display and query business rule, etc. B script include is like reusable function. In simple example, if you want to calculate the date different between two date fields from incident form or change form, then you can have one script include and can have a glide AJAX to call from client scripting to reuse them for both the places. Question: how to converting global business rules to script includes? Global business rules are from earlier versions of ServiceNow, before script includes. Developers are now supposed to use script includes instead of global business rules. Why is this? Your answer should be: performance global business rules are evaluated for every server interaction. Every insert, update, delete, or query of a record. They are global. Script includes are different. They are loaded on demand and cached. How to switch to script includes: if you have a number of global business rules you created on a previous version of ServiceNow, you can switch them to script includes. Here is an example GBR I used in for GRC report that found all controls not linked to authoritative source content. The report isn't that important here, just how to convert that GBR to a script include. New script includes. Your new script include. Just copy the GBR script you are using into the script include. You can convert to a more object-oriented format if you want, but that is a bonus with accompanied risk of a coding mistake. The most efficient solution is just to copy the script. Question: what are the variables supporting to client scripts? Your answer should be: the following API is supported via G_form, G_form.setDisplay, name, display, G_form.setVisible, name, visibility, G underscore form dot set mandatory, name, mandatory, G underscore form dot set value, name, value, display underscore value, G underscore form dot get value, name, G underscore form dot stred only, field name, Boolean. Question: how do I call a business rule from a client script? Your answer should be, to call a business rule from a client script, use glide